I'm here again in Velox Energy gas station, guys. So, it's already 4 p.m. Pero hahabol pa rin. At parang uulan pa talaga. It's cloudy sa malayong lugar. At yung hangin is papunta rito. So, pwedeng uulan dito. Pero magpa-flyer rin pa rin. May bibigyan ako pa. Ayun. Ay, ma'am, mag-flyer. Ma'am, pwede mag-flyer? Hindi ako inubuksan ng door. Ayaw niya, guys. Sorry. So, andito na naman ako sa Velox. My favorites.
I've realized I've always been talking about flyering Maldives Oasis Davao condominium here in my vlog, but I haven't shown you yet what it looks like. So, naisip ko bakit hindi ko ipakita dito ngayon sa aking vlog. So, okay guys, here it is. Nestled along Escandor Drive, formerly Kimpo Boulevard in Matina, Davao City. Maldives Oasis. A fresh take on modern resort living. 7 stylish mid-rise buildings amid lush greens and spacious environs. True breathability with 65% open space. A relaxing locale where schools, commercial centers, and other lifestyle essentials are easily accessible. And here's the clubhouse. Leisure pool, kiddie pool, pool deck with cabanas, children's playground, basketball court, picnic area with barbecue grills, lounge area, game fitness gym, audio room, game room. Building design draws inspiration from the waves of Maldives beaches. Ventilite concept, sky gardens and airwells maximize natural light and ventilation. Offers studio and 2BR units designed for comfort and efficiency. Your island escape comes to life at Maldives Oasis, a resort-inspired community. Taking resort living a notch higher, Maldives Oasis features an authentic vacation ambience to give urbanites a welcome respite from the daily hustle and bustle of the city.
Guys. 4 Hello sir, condo flyer sir sa Davao sir, condo flyer. Na I'm pre-selling sir. Familiar ka sa ano, mga pre-selling na condo?
Wala pa utoy kapalitan eh.
Basig nakakaila sir. I-refer lang. Pwede sir, sulat guest list.
Ha?
Sulat imong name dere oh. At
Gani,
documentation lang. Dere dato.
Dali lang ha.
Taga-asa. Tagam lang ka sir?
Dili, sa Carmen ko na ako sundon.
Ay, katong may nag-ano po dagi dira ako nagpaano gasolina, Carmen ko to sila.
Ah,
Sir, basta nung kaila sa Carmen sir na gusto mag-invest ba sa may Davao. Nice kayo ni diri nga condo sir o kay kuan ni siya kanang resort style.
resorts.
Oh, resort style Maldives. Mura kag na kanang Maldives Island god sa may Indian Ocean, mura ging ana ang dito na ang design gikuha na parang resort style.
Ay, guwapo ah.
Ang studio dira sir kay 4.5. Sige sir tawaga ko sir kung naay magka-interest sir na.
Salamat, salamat.
Salamat po. Tingin ko guys, hindi na matutuloy itong ulan. Ay! Sorry. Kasi may hangin. Nadala ng hangin. Tao. The driver. Sir, flyer, sir, condo flyer. Hi sir, condo flyer sir. Condo flyer sa Davao, basi ka na ka magtanaw. Naka ano pre-selling karon sir. Pwede pa guest list sir. Sulat lang alam sir. Nana kong contact sir o pag nakay pong tanataw bilang ko. Dire sir. Wala mo space. Open na sa space ko. Tagam lang ka, sir.
Kilala.
Ay, okay. Ulan na nag-in, nawala. Thank you. Wala na akong space for guest list, guys. So, kung may bibigyan ako nito. Pwede siguro sa likod na rin. Tignan nyo guys, oh, ang daming nagpapagas sa app dito. Ayan. So, nice talaga dito sa Velox Energy. Laging busy. So, yan na lang muna. That's the vlog for today. Bye! See you in the next vlog.